I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the GoPro Max 2 in less than 5 minutes. Let's go. The GoPro Max 2 is the first 360 camera from GoPro since 2018, so they've had quite a long time to make some improvements. Let's get into what the headline specs are. The GoPro Max 2 can shoot true 8K resolution 360 videos. It can shoot 10-bit color, features twist and go replaceable lenses, has 6 microphones, and comes with built-in internal GPS. A big thing about 360 videos is that they require really high resolution, and the latest ones all shoot 8K, but GoPro makes a point of calling the GoPro Max the first true 8K 360 camera. So what do they mean by that? Other 360 cameras like the Osmo 360 and the Insta360 X5 also claim to shoot 8K 360 video, but if we take a look at what 360 videos look like before they're stitched together so we can actually use them, they look something like this, and some of the pixels in this dual fisheye format are not usable in the final image. And cameras like the Osmo 360 and X5 do include some of these non-usable pixels, for example the black areas and the areas that overlap. But GoPro claims the 8K resolution that the Max 2 shoots is all usable footage, and the result is between 16 and 21% higher resolution than the X5 and the Osmo 360. So the GoPro Max 2 technically having a higher resolution than the competition, even though they all say they shoot 8K. This means that when reframing, the video quality will be higher, you will have more pixels to play with, and you can also shoot at up to 300 megabits per second if you use GoPro Labs. Now, you've seen a couple of comparisons here to start us off, but I'll be making a much more detailed video comparing the 3 main 360 cameras all together, shooting loads of side-by-side so we can see really which one comes out on top. But coming back to the Max 2, the 10-bit video allows the camera to capture up to 1 billion colors, which means smoother gradations, more dynamic colors, and overall better looking video compared to 8-bit. You can also use GoPro's LUTs to quickly get the most out of your 10-bit videos. Other frame rate options include 5.6K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 100 frames per second. You can also change to single lens mode, where you can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second, which also features 10-bit video, hyper smooth, horizon lock, and a range of field of view options. The GoPro Max 2 has 2 no editing 360 video options, including POV mode, which is a 180-degree front-facing video. Select this mode and the camera will spit out an already edited video using this 180-degree field of view. There's also selfie mode. Using this mode, the camera will automatically track you, the person, as long as you're using one of these invisible selfie sticks, extended by about a meter or so. Once you sync this up to the GoPro Quick app, then the video will be ready to go straight away without you having to do any editing. For photos, the Max 2 can shoot 29 megapixel images. It also features 6 microphones, comes with stereo sound, automatic water drainage. You can also connect Bluetooth earbuds or Apple AirPods for your own audio. Other video modes include time-lapse, time warp, which is a kind of hyperlapse effect. The camera has 190 mAh battery, which is designed to work in the coldest conditions. So those are the headline specs, guys, of the GoPro Max 2. Like I said, I'll be doing a much more detailed video comparing the GoPro Max to the Insta360 X5 and Osmo 360, and obviously testing this bad boy out to see what it can do. This true 8K, we'll see if that really makes a difference. For a start, GoPro have not been promoting the sensor size of the Max 2, so I'm going to go ahead and assume that they're not larger than the X5 and Osmo 360, so we'll see which matters more, resolution or the sensor size. Press is definitely has some action camera credentials which the other cameras don't. These twist and replaceable lenses, really quick, really easy. GoPro have also reworked their Quick app to make 360 editing easier than before. I've had a little play with it and it definitely is an improvement on their last software options. Although it does have to be said that the GoPro Quick app isn't nearly as advanced as the Insta360 or DJI apps for editing or reframing your videos, and I find it quite annoying you have to download your footage in order to be able to reframe. The only alternative is to subscribe to GoPro's subscription, where it will upload it to the cloud, and that way you can start editing without filling up your phone's storage. GoPro have also developed a reframe plugin for DaVinci Resolve, which has been something we've wanted a long time, which means you can now reframe reframe your GoPro Max 2 360 videos using that program, which is a free option alternative to Premiere Pro, opening up desktop reframing capabilities to a lot more people. So that's pretty much it, guys, for the Max 2 for now. I hope this has been a decent introduction. Let me know what you think of the specs. Will you be getting the Max 2? Is this something you're interested in? There are good reasons to buy any of the 3 major 360 cameras out right now. Yeah, it's pretty much a battle to see which one's going to be best. I will be doing a big comparison soon and a full review of the Max 2. So yeah, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.